everyone, today I will demonstrate to you how the S40 turns on the combined unlocking mode. So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hashtag to enter the system settings mode. Verify administrator password. Press hashtag to enter system mode. Verification successful. 1 add user, to delete user, 3 system settings. We press 3 to enter the system settings. 1 unlock mode, to volume settings, 3 language settings. We press 1 to enter the unlocking settings. One single unlocking, to combination unlocking. Press 2 to enter the combination unlock. Operation successful. Combination unlock mode is enabled. Now let's verify whether it has been successfully turned on. Enter the first password. Please confirm again. Enter the second password. Unlocked. Combination unlock mode has been successfully enabled. The above is how to open the S40.